Hi everyone, it's good to see you here. Are you working out today? Maybe you wonder, what should I drink when I exercise? You might hear about special drinks with things called BCAA or electrolytes. Some people say these drinks give them more energy. But what do these things really do? Let's talk about it in simple words. First, let's talk about electrolytes. What are they? Electrolytes are simple things in your body that help it work well. Some of these are salt, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. You know salt from your food. We use it in almost everything. These little things help your body in big ways. How do they help? Electrolytes help your brain send message to your muscles. When you want to move your arms or legs, your brain sends a message. Electrolytes help your muscles get this message, so you can move. They also help your body use water in the right way. Water is very important, but you need these salts to help your body use water well. If you don't have enough electrolytes, your muscles may feel weak or tired. You may not feel strong during your workout. Now, why do people talk about drinking electrolytes when they exercise? When you sweat, your body loses water. You also lose salt and other small helpers. The main thing you lose is salt. That's why sweat tastes salty. You also lose some potassium and other things, but not as much. Some people think if a little is good, more must be better. They start to drink a lot of sport drinks or powders, but too much is not good. Your body works hard to keep the right amount of these salts. If you add too much, you can make the balance wrong. This can hurt your heart. Your heart needs just the right mix of these helpers to beat the right way. It is not good to guess or try to fix this on your own. Let's talk about people who lift weights like bodybuilders. Sometimes, before a big show, they want to look extra thin and dry. Then, they try to lose water and salts very fast. This is not safe. If you lose too many electrolytes, your heart can have problems. This shows why you need balance. So, when do you really lose a lot of electrolytes? You lose a lot when you sweat a lot. This can happen if you run a long race, play sports outside in the sun, or do a very hard workout. You also lose a lot if you are sick and have diarrhea or throw up. If this happens, doctors say you should drink things with electrolytes to help your body feel better. But what about a normal workout at the gym for about an hour? Most gyms have fans or cool air. You're not in the hot sun. For most people, if you work out for about 1 hour, just drink water. Your body can keep what it needs during short workouts. You also get electrolytes from food. For example, if you eat a banana, you get potassium. If you exercise for a long time and sweat a lot, or if you are outside in the heat, you can put a small pinch of salt in your water. This helps you get back the salt you lose in sweat. Most of the time, you do not need to add other things. Now, let's talk about BCAAs. This stands for branched chain amino acids. These are small parts that make up protein. Some people take them to feel less tired or help their muscles feel better after exercise. Some people think they help especially if they do not eat a lot of protein. Others do not see a big change. BCAA are not the same as electrolytes. They do different things in your body. I tried BCAAs once and I felt a little less tired. So, what should you remember? Most of the time, water is the best thing to drink when you work out. If you do a very long, hard or hot workout, or if you are sick, adding some salt or a drink with electrolyte can help. Be careful with drinks or powder that have a lot of electrolytes, especially those with a lot of potassium. Only use them if you have a good reason. Your body likes to keep things in balance. Everyone is a little different. I hope this helps you understand what to drink when you exercise. What do you like to drink? Tell me in the comments. If you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching and have a healthy workout.